Hey, what's up, friends? Ray with Docket Timber Works, and we're about to have what I call fun. Letting the chips fly on this big block of maple. It's close to a 4x4. Well, we'll rough this thing out, get it round so it can speed up the drying process. Right there about 800, we're starting to get a wobble, so. We almost got 1,000. I got too aggressive. $11.50. don't know if you guys can see some of this, but this is kind of silver maple. It's got a little bit of ambrosia in it. Pretty cool stuff. You know, there's still a little bit of a flat lip, but I don't care because it's probably gonna oval out anyways when it dries. Yeah, now that I thought about it, it's not worth trying to get this flat out here or here because this will probably oval out some and I'll have to knock it down anyways. So yeah, we'll probably seal the ends up, maybe let it air dry for a week and then toss it in the kiln. See how she does. I did another one earlier because I couldn't wait. And this one's got maybe a little bit more, same log, but this should make cool, you know, boxes. Could be mallets. It's soft maple, but soft maple really isn't that soft. I mean, it's still pretty good up there in the Janka scale. So, all right, thanks for watching.